mutual fund distribution and the game of football. Football is the most loved and followed sports in the world. Almost half of the countries play it officially, and it is played probably in all the countries at some point of time, whether professionally or just like that. Football is loved world over. I I went to watch World Cup football along with my son and nephew in 2008 to Russia, and I can tell you, friends, there's no sport in the world like football. And I'm today going to, make a relationship between our business, mutual fund distribution business, or football. तो फुटबॉल और म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस में क्या समानता है, मैं आपको उसके बारे में आज बात करना चाहूंगा, और मेरा डिस्कशन 10-15 मिनट का रहेगा एज लाइक ऑल अदर प्रोग्राम्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल टेक क्वेश्चन फॉर 1 hour. Somebody is asking me, which team do you like? I have no choice because my son is a fan of Manchester United, and in the same family, you cannot have two teams. So I'm not very keen on any particular football team, but yeah, since my son is a fan of Manchester United, and I like Manchester United, and I tell you, फुटबॉल के जो फैंस होते हैं वो इतने ज्यादा लॉयल होते हैं that 5-7 years ago, my brother bought an Chelsea t-shirt for my son from England. My son never wore it. He said, I am a Manchester United fan. I can't wear Chelsea. No matter how much love it has and the money you have spent, I will not wear this t-shirt. It is such fanfare. Unbelievable. So, मैं आज रिलेट करूंगा कि फुटबॉल में क्या होता है और म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस में क्या होता है. पहले मैं आपको बताता हूँ म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की विशेषता. काफी म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर जो साल 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल से काम करते हैं वो काफी परेशान हो जाते हैं कि बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा, एफर्ट कर रहे हैं लेकिन बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा है या स्लो बिजनेस आता है. और many of them leave this profession in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or maybe 4 years time. 80% mutual fund distributor are not able to scale heights in this business. Okay. Why this happens? Because they get frustrated, because उनको conversions नहीं मिलते, client convert नहीं होते हैं, business आता नहीं. Right? Do you think what I am saying makes sense? Please write yes on the chat box. Yeah, this is true. So in the initial year, it is really very, very tough and challenging to get business. Even otherwise, people who are there in this business for 5 years and 10 years also struggle to get new business, new clients. Okay, is my voice clear now? I will come closer to the screen. Now, when you watch the game of football, what happens in the game of football? Football is a 90-minute game, okay? It takes 90 minutes. And how many goals are scored? Can you put any number on the chat box? How many goals are scored in a typical football match? Give me any number. 1 to 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, up to 5, hardly 2, 3, hardly 2, 4. That's the point. That is exactly the point. Most of you are writing 1 or 2 goals, maybe 3 goals. Sometimes there are 4 goals, maybe 5 goals. And 11 players, 2 teams, 22 players for 90 minutes are running every moment. Some of them lose up to 2 kgs of weight in one game. They run for more than 9 to 10 kilometers during that 90 minutes. Everybody is struggling. Everybody is making an effort for 90 minutes. It is not that they are trying to make a goal only in the 80th or the 90th minute. 90 मिनट के खेल के अंदर में सिर्फ 1 या 2 गोल होता है और पूरी दुनिया दीवानी है इस गेम की. And you watch this game with the excitement that somebody is going to hit the goal. And when the goal happens, the whole world, the team, the people who are following are just so happy as if they have won the whole world, isn't it? Now, the key point in this is that 90 मिनट तक प्लेयर्स मेहनत करते हैं, चांस बनाते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं और गोल नहीं होता. बट फिर भी वो एफर्ट करते हैं बिकॉज दे नो एक बार अगर उनको मौका मिल गया और 1 गोल उन्होंने मार दिया तो वो गेम जीत जाएंगे. It doesn't matter what happened in 90 minutes. What matters is that you just need that one chance to score the goal, isn't it? Now, football is a game where you create chances. You are making an effort. And you know that if you keep making the effort and if you keep getting the chances, sometimes those chances will be converted in the goals, right? In the mutual fund distribution business also, you have to keep creating chances. You have to keep meeting people. You have to keep talking to people. You have to keep sending new proposals. You have to keep discussing new ideas. Most of the time, business will not come. Most of the client will say no to you. New clients, probably the prospective client, they will say, I will talk to you later. I will not meet you now. Abhi paise nahi hai hamare paas invest karne ke liye. But you don't stop. Mutual fund distribution mein, you don't stop. The same way, when you see the 90-minute game of football, at the end of the presentation, at the end of the game, एक चार्ट आता है जिसमें लिखा होता है कितनी बार शॉट गोल में मारा गया, how many attempts were made, how many those attempts were on target. Now अगर आप देखेंगे कितने शॉट्स मारे गए तो आते हैं 8 to 10. How many shots were on target? 4 to 5. How many of them converted? 1. Is that enough? Yes. And you win the game, you win the World Cup. That one goal, that two goal in 90 minutes, when 11 players are fighting for the team, 22 from both sides, they just want to create 4-5 chances in a 90-minute game, out of which they want to convert one goal and they win the World Cup. That's it, friends. The same thing is required in the business of mutual fund distribution. It doesn't matter how many clients are saying no to you. It doesn't matter how many clients are not investing on the proposal you give to them. What is important is that how many chances you are taking, how many times you are approaching the client, how many times you are making an effort, and once in a while, that client will say yes. And when he issues that 50 lakh rupees of check to you or a 5 crore check to you, it was not because that client was interested in you. It was because all the previous time you were working hard. You were making that effort. And the success comes with that particular client who gets converted. It is like this. ये बहुत ही common example मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. कहते हैं जब आप किसी पत्थर पे हथौड़ा चलाते हैं, when you hit the hammer on stones, and it takes 100 times to press like this and the stone breaks or the brick breaks, people say, which was the hit which broke the stone? Was it the 100th? No. The impact of the first hammer which you had on the stone was also equally important. It took 100 attempts to break it, but you can't credit the 100th effort for the result. First was equally important. So when you get converted, when one of your clients get converted, it is not that that client was only interested in you. It was because of 100 effort and law of average which works in your favor. Sometimes a football team is playing for 90 minutes and the 80th minute they try and hit a goal which gets converted. But the first attempt which they made in the 5th minute and the goalkeeper protected the goal and saved the goal, it doesn't mean that that was any less effort. It is because of a constant effort every single time which results in the goal. And the same way in the mutual fund distribution business, if you get devastated, discouraged, disappointed that I am meeting clients, I am making effort, but it is not getting converted, friends, you have to hold on. You have to hang in there. You will get a chance. There is someone who's waiting for you. Who don't know? It's a matter of timing also sometimes, that when you keep trying, there will be a moment when things will happen. And if you're not there at that point of time, you are not there. Then you will not get the business, right? And it has to be a very syndicated effort, right? People in football games are not upset for the chances they missed. They are happy for the goal they scored. It's all about creating chances, making an attack. फुटबॉल में 90 मिनट में एक गोल होता है, 2 गोल होता है. If you are lucky, you can see 3 goals. On an average, I generally see 1 or 2 goals on an average. Maybe the world average will be 2 goals all the games played ever. I think my son will know better. He said that he's also joined this presentation. So Aishman, what is your number? What is the average goal scored in a football match? Can you, if you are watching this video, can you write in the chat box? What is the average number of goals? Okay. So friends, in my business also, in my 20 years of life and career as a mutual fund distribution, I had many misses. बहुत सारे क्लाइंट ने मेरे साथ बिजनेसेस नहीं किया, बट मुझे उसके बारे में याद नहीं करना. मुझे वो याद करना है कि which client gave me the business. I will give you one more rationale. You know, when you make an attack and you fail because it was not syndicated and the passing was not good and you miss the goal, you learn. You learn to do it better next time. And then you learn to make it better next time. So when a client says no to me, I come back home and think, why did this client say no to me? इस client ने मुझे ना क्यों बोला? कहाँ गलती की मैंने? क्या proposal गलत दिया मैंने? और उससे सीख करके मैं फिर से नए क्लाइंट के पास जाता हूँ, उस गलती को रिवाइज करता हूँ, and my chances improve. That person says no to me, then I go to the third person, and then my chances improve because I'm not making the same mistake again. And so the possibility of getting that goal converted is becoming higher and higher. For example, I want those people to comment on the chat box who are there in this business for more than 5 and 10 years. Is your conversion ratio today better than 5 years ago? Yes or no? Yes. Nikhil is saying yes. Many people are saying yes. It is not because you were trying less. It is because of your experience and you kept on trying and you understand the language which the client understands, how to talk to the client, which product to pitch, when, why. You understand the behavior of the customer. In the same manner, when you play football, you try to understand the opponent, their strength and weaknesses, and you try to play according to that. You keep changing your strategies, you keep implementing those strategies, and you get your goal. So friends, किसी के पास आज 500 करोड़ का अगर AUM है और किसी के पास 5 करोड़ का AUM है, तो दोनों में सिर्फ एक फर्क है. 500 करोड़ वाले एडवाइजर ने, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ने पिछले 10 साल से 15 साल से 20 साल तक लगातार प्रोस्पेक्टिंग की है, लगातार चांसेस क्रिएट किए हैं, लगातार एफर्ट डाला है, and then that is getting matured. Even today, after 20 years, sometimes every year, 1 or 2 clients call me whom I contacted 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. जिन्होंने business शुरू नहीं किया, now they are starting business with me because they said they were not ready at that point of time, and I forgot them. But they remember that this is the guy who made an effort, and the call comes to me. आपके साथ भी यही हो. So this is what I wanted to tell you, to motivate you and to tell you that if you want to grow to 100 crores, 500 crores, 1000 crores, play the game, practice the game, stay in the arena. जब सब कोई चले जाते हैं, उसके बाद भी आपको एफर्ट करना है, प्रपोजल्स बनाना है, पढ़ाई करनी है, समझना है चीजों को कि किस तरह से आप बिजनेस को बढ़ा सकते हैं, और जितनी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, एफर्ट करेंगे, चांसेस क्रिएट करेंगे, उतने ज्यादा कन्वर्जन्स आपको मिलने वाले. So the message is hang in there, take your chances, create that. Clients convert होते हैं, ratios improve होते हैं. मैं अक्सर इस कोट को पढ़ता हूँ. मेसी का कोट है, बहुत फेमस कोट है, जो वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है. मेसी is the best footballer ever, and he says that I practiced hard for 17 years, day and night, and people say I am an instant success. No, he's not an instant success. He worked hard for 18 years behind the scenes. So people who are having 300 crores, 500 crores, 1000 crores are not successful people just like that by chance. The other day we had Bharat Bagla on our show who have more than 500 crores of asset. He's not a lucky financial distributor. He has worked very hard. He has created his chances. When other mutual fund distributors were sleeping and going on holidays and watching Netflix and doing other things, Bharat was going out in the field and meeting clients and making chances, taking chances, and he got converted. It's very simple. This is a very simple message, which the other day I was watching football and I thought I will talk about this to Masterstroke members and other people also. And with this, I will stop now. And I will tell you, hang in there, take chances, meet more number of people, give them more presentations, and your business will be successful. There is no other rule in this business. Keep trying, keep trying. कई बार आपको ऐसा लगता होगा ना, यू आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट बट आपके पास AUM नहीं है, और बहुत सारे म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं जो आपसे ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है लेकिन आपसे 10 गुना AUM है उनके पास. They are not lucky. They know how to play football. They have not given up. In 85 minutes, they did not hit a goal, but they are still trying from 85th to 90th minute, and the conversion happens. The opposite team thinks that you will not be able to score, and they become weak, and they allow you to penetrate deeper, and you hit that goal. Friends, never give up. Thank you so much. And now if you have any question, I will take that. Thank you so much.